Good morning, friends, and welcome to today's Cooking with Amanda. So I just had an awesome Zoom call, but it was at 8 a.m. and I'm not a morning person to begin with, and this COVID-19 has made that even more reality. So I made a cup of coffee and I made some creamer, then thought, duh, I'm going to share my creamer recipe with you. It is so easy, and you can make a delicious vegan coffee creamer right at home. So let's get started. I'm going to take, this recipe has 5 ingredients. The first 2 is rolled oats and shredded coconut. You can use flake coconut as well, whatever you have at home. So I took a 1/3 cup of rolled oats and a 1/3 cup of shredded coconut, and I put it into my Ninja blender, and I poured 1 cup of water onto it, I pulsed it twice, and then I let it soak for about 10 minutes. So now I have this watery coconut milk that's here. Okay, so we're going to strain out this, and I'm going to use one of my favorite products, which I'll share the link with you. This is a jelly bag with a stand. It is so cool because I would make almond milk, and I would get my cheesecloth, and I would try and squeeze it out, and then I would have almond milk everywhere, and I mean everywhere. It's like, so you have to pick up all the corners. Oh, it was a mess. So I bought this, and I love it. The only downside is I have not found the perfect jar that these little arms fit on. Okay, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna take our coconut oatmeal liquid, and we're gonna pour it into the jelly bag. Duh, I love this thing. It is so great. So you could let this hang and let most of the liquid drip out. Maybe you could just walk away. You can make your coffee, whatever. You can watch it, which is kind of mesmerizing. Or if you're like me, your coffee is already ready, you gotta get it done. Take off the bag, and we're going to squeeze this out by hand. I love making coffee creamer at home because it's easy, it's affordable, and you know exactly what's in it. There's no fillers, there's no preservatives, there's nothing in your milk. We don't want any bad stuff, but that's a whole nother topic. So I'm just going to squeeze the bag, twist the bag, and squeeze out, oops, I already made a mess. Squeeze out some of the milk, let out some of the slack, and just squeeze away here. I love this jelly bag for making almond milk because you can let it hang and let it do all the most of the work for you. So we're just going to squeeze out all the liquid. So I used a 1/3 cup of rolled oats and a 1/3 cup of shredded coconut. It is sweetened coconut, but that's what I have. So I'm going to put less sweetener in it. You can even put no sweetener. You can use whatever you have at home. You could do flake coconut. You could do fresh coconut if you have that laying around. Okay, I did not grab a towel. All right, so we're going to squeeze all of this out. Just like that, we have liquid. So that's it. This is our coffee creamer. So let me go put this bag down. Whoa, I'm going to get everything out of it. Rinse off my hands real quick. So that's it. We have coffee creamer, just like that. How easy. So now I'm going to put a pinch of sea salt in it. Let's say 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Just a little bit of vanilla. I love maple syrup in things. Coffee, pancakes, you know, chia seed pudding. So I'm going to put maybe a tablespoon. I don't want it to be too sweet since my coconut is sweetened. Stir it up, and that's it. You have just made dairy-free coffee creamer at home. And we're going to store it in a jar, put a lid on it, and enjoy. If you think this creamer is too thick for you, you can put a 1/4 cup of oats and a 1/4 cup of coconut. If you want really thick creamer, double up the oats and the coconut, and maybe don't quite double the water. Instead of 1 cup of water, put 1.5 cups of water. And that's it. So then you grab your favorite coffee mug, mine's Banco ZK, and you put in your creamer, and you enjoy. I will post my favorite links below with my jelly bag and some other ingredients, and I'm working on an ebook so I can share more of these recipes for you. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you soon on the next episode of Quarantine Cooking with Amanda. So good.